Hey, first graders, we are on to chapter 7 in math. And chapter 7 is about comparing numbers. We're going to keep working with what we've been learning about what numbers mean, and then use that to help us understand how we can compare numbers and pay attention to which ones are greater and lesser and things like that. So looking for your papers in your math packet, this is what you are looking for. Chapter 7, compare numbers. We have these girls with a kite on the front. And it says, how many colors do you see in the kite? Okay, and then it says, name the number that is one more. And that goes along with our introduction for this chapter. Now we are going to do some problems just to get our brain thinking about the things that we need for this chapter. So these will be things that we've already learned in the past. This is not going to be new information. And then we, of course, will also learn the vocabulary that goes along with this and apply that a little bit as well, so that we will be ready to move on to 7.1. Okay, so go ahead and open up those pages. This is what we are looking for. Okay, we're going to start over here. And it says to model more. Okay, so we have done this earlier this year. It's been quite a while since we've done this. But it says draw lines to match and then circle the set that has more. So we can see that this cup goes to this saucer. This cup goes to this saucer. And so then which has more, cups or saucers? Circle the group or the set that has more. Okay, number 2. We're going to do that again. So again, match up the tables and chairs. Each table gets a chair. And then circle the set that has more. Okay, number 3, you can draw lines to match if you want to, but you do not have to on this one. They just want you to now visualize. So look at and apply what we've learned. And this is stuff we did in kindergarten, and we kept practicing a little bit earlier this year. And I want you to circle the row on number 3 that has more. Number 4 is a little bit different. On this one, I want you to circle the row that has fewer. And then in number 5, we want to draw an equal group. We want to draw a ball for each glove so that the number of balls will be equal to the number of gloves. Okay, let's go back and check with a crayon. Just make sure that you have everything you needed. So we're going to match. It says draw lines to match on number 2, so we can match and see that it's the same up to there, but the tables have more. Okay, oh, we should probably go back and say here on the cups, there were more cups than saucers. Okay. On number 3, we don't have to do matching. It didn't say in the instructions to match, but it says circle the row that has more. What is there more of? Toolboxes or hammers? Hammers, that's right. Okay, so hammers should be circled. Okay, and then number 4, circle the row that has fewer this time. That would be the carrots. Okay, and number 5, if we draw a ball for each glove, then we would have 4 balls to match the 4 gloves. Okay. Then coming over here, we're going to work on that vocabulary. Up here in the box, the review words are fewer, more, and same. So again, these are words that we've had before, and we're going to apply them here as well. We are starting with the number 3. In the top box, it says come from 3 and get more. What is more than 3? Lots of things are more than 3, but the simplest would just be to have 4. Okay. And then on 3, we have the same as 3, which means we're going to still have 3. And 3, if we go fewer than 3, we count a number which is smaller. So 4, 3, get fewer. What's smaller than 3? First thing I thought of was 2. 4, 3, and 2. Okay. 4 is more than 3. 3 is the same as 3. 2 is fewer than 3. So that's using the vocabulary to compare these numbers. Okay, so let's try using these words in sentences. Number 1 says, I see 2 white cats and 4 yellow cats. I see blank yellow cats, then white cats. So the number for yellow cats was 4. The number from white cats was 2. So we're comparing 4 to 2. If I compare 4 to 2, what would I say about 4? 4 is more than 2, 4 is the same as 2, or 4 is fewer than 2. 4 is more. I see more yellow cats than white cats because 4 is more than 2. Number 2, Dave has 9 grapes. Anne has 6 grapes. Anne has blank grapes than Dave. So this time we are comparing the 9 and 6, and we're starting with the 6. So 6 is blank than 9. 6 is more than 9. 6 is the same as 9, or 6 is fewer than 9. 6 is fewer than 9. Good. So we need fewer in here because Anne has fewer grapes than Dave because 6 is fewer than 9. Okay, and number 3, 5 ducks and 5 swans are at the pond. There are the blank number of ducks and swans. So we're looking at 5 and 5. Ducks and swans. There are the more number of ducks and swans, there are the same number of ducks and swans, or there are the fewer number of ducks and swans. Same. Same is the word that fits into that sentence. Okay, that is the end of our introduction to chapter 7. So we remember you can go through and there's a game here. There's the vocabulary words and there's a vocabulary word game. There's always a writing option for you, and then we'll be ready for moving on to lesson 7.1. Have fun!